Computer engineering is a profession that applies the principles and methodologies in the analysis, design, implementation, and
pagkahalo ng ECE and yung halo ng ComSci and IT. Ang kagandahan din doon, para bang maaari kang
Computer engineering is the integration of hardware and software. Computer engineering ay pwede sa software or hardware or both hardware and software.
So basically, computer engineering is a profession that applies the principles and methodologies in the analysis, design, implementation, and management of hardware, software, and then the integration of both. Also, computer engineering is a discipline that integrates different engineering courses, I may say electronics engineering and electrical engineering, into another computer-related courses such as the IT, ComSci, and information system. So with those integration of courses, you may be able to came up to develop or to invent another computer system that will be able to be used by people with useful applications.
Marami kasing edge yung isang computer engineering graduate. Una sa lahat yung parang hybrid kasi yung yung course na yun. Ang maganda doon yung pagkahalo ng ECE and yung halo ng ComSci and IT.
Computer engineering is a continuous learning. It is a never-ending process. Kumbaga, kahit sabihin natin nasa labas ka na, hindi mo kailangang huminto kung ano yung natutunan mo sa UE. Kailangan mo pa rin mag-aral kung ano ba talaga yung trend sa labas. Kasi computer engineering is a technology-based education. So ibig sabihin, every month, every year may bagong technology na kailangan natin pag-aralan. So kung ganun, kung titigil ka lang, kung magiging static ka sa pag-aaral mo, walang mangyayari sa isa labas.
At the forefront of the industry. Makita mo yung parang what's next in store for this world. Yung most of the new technological advances are made possible with computers, and as computer engineers, we play a big part in that.
Isa pang advantage ng computer engineering ay ang pagdating nila sa industry ay flexible sila kasi hindi nagpo-focus sa isang discipline. In other words, it is the course that knows no boundaries.
Ang kagandahan din doon, para bang maaari kang mag-multi-role. Pwede kang pumasok sa maraming positions, a wide range of positions. Na for example, pwede kang mag-hardware, pwede kang mag-software, pwede kang mag-networks. Isang advantage yun ng isang computer engineer. I can describe my career as a computer engineer as very promising. Bakit promising? Maraming na in store sa career natin. Kasi kung titignan nyo, for example, as for me, as a mainframe specialist, onti na lang din yung parang nagpa-practice ng mainframe programming ngayon. So, in demand. Ang kagandahan pa nun, parang maraming company ang naghahanap ng mainframe specialist. Not just mainframe, any other technology. Parang maganda yung outlook sa career path. It just depends on how fast you are going to succeed on that career path and how deep your commitment is to the course and to your major.